Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am here for my CVS video for you guys. I feel like this is a slow week, definitely is a slow week, but I am not mad at it by no means because I've learned to appreciate the slow weeks. Let me tell you. On top of that, it's like sometimes you go in and you're thinking, oh, it's a slow week, and then it surprises you. It's like, boo! And you realize it's not as slow as you thought it was. So I'm kind of hoping that happens this week. I do have, I want to say 4 or 5 deals I can share with y'all today. This should be a really quick video. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Make sure you also smash the like button. Support your girl. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the video. So I did not look at the ad, honestly, y'all, until today. We celebrated Mother's Day yesterday, and I got home and was in a complete food coma. And I knocked out, and I didn't wake up until midnight. And I was up for about an hour and a half or so and back to sleep. I didn't look at the ad until today. And so, yeah, that's how that went. But happy Mother's Day to all of you mothers out there. I am a mother of 2. I have a 16-year-old son and I have a 7-year-old son. David lives with his dad in Pittsburgh. He's going to be here this summer and I'm so excited. So yes, a happy Mother's Day to you guys. So I'm going to keep this short and sweet. So we're going to head over to CVS and see what kind of deals we can grab this week. So keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first deal that we're going to go over is going to be the CoverGirl. It's buy 2 get back 6, and it's always limit 1 with CoverGirl, right? And so for this we're going to grab the pencils down here priced at $4.99. We're grabbing 2 of those. We're going to be using 2 of the $3 coupons right here from our inserts. Now we do also have a 3 off of 1 on the app as well. I do have a 3 off of 10 I'm probably most likely going to throw into the mix. And so for this, without the CRT, you're going to pay $3.98 and get back 6, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. Alright guys, so the next thing that I'm going to grab is hair dye. I have a free CRT for hair dye. And I'm not sure how much it's going to take off, but I low-key was thinking of trying the L'Oreal right here. It's been 15, get back 5. So I thought if I grab one of these, I'd pay like what? Well, I'd pay well, if it takes off the full amount, it'd be like a moneymaker, right? So I'm thinking about trying one of these, but I don't know what the max amount is gonna take off. If that doesn't work out, then my backup, I don't want to grab 2 of these because I don't know how the free CRT is going to work with coupons. And I think for this one we have a coupon that's off of 2 and we have a digital that's off of 2. But I thought about getting these down here. If I get these down here, then it's buy 2 get back 3. I don't think we have coupons for these. So I guess I'd pay what, 5 and get back 3, which wouldn't be bad, but it's still $1 for hair dye, and I could probably flip these 2 for 5. So I'm gonna go and do these 2 deals really quick, and yeah. Alright, so really quick, I just did the hair dye. I ended up getting this one because what happened was the other one that I grabbed was $17.49 and the CRT was only taking off 9, and so I was just like, I was just like, nah. So I ended up grabbing these. They're $4.99 and it's buy 2 get back 3. So with this transaction, basically the CRT took off 9, which is cool because I didn't expect it to take off 9. Well, the other one was taking off 9, but I still thought that this one would take off maybe like 5 since one of them is 5. But it did take off a max amount, I guess, of 9. I paid 98 cents, and then I got back 3. So it made this a $2.02 moneymaker for the hair dye. And then for the CoverGirl, we grabbed 2 of those, used paper coupons, used a 3 off of 10 CRT, and we paid 98 cents subtotal as well. Both my subtotals were 98 cents. Right, let me see. Yep, 98 cents and 98 cents. Yeah, I should go play the lotto. So paid 98 cents and then I got back 6. So for both of these transactions, subtotal was $2, and then we got back, what is that, 6, 7, 8, $9. So we paid 2 and got back 9, which is not bad. So yeah, let's go see what else we can get into. All right, so my next deal Next two deals I'm gonna grab are gonna be on the Garnier. We're gonna grab 2 whole blends. We're gonna also grab 2 of the fruit teas. Now I do have a CRT that's 3 off of 15, and so we're gonna grab 2 whole blends. They're priced at $5.59, and it's buy 2 get back 2. The fruit teas is buy 2 get back 3, and they're priced at $4.49. So all 4 products is gonna come to $20.16. We're gonna use a 3 off of 15 CRT. We're going to use 2 of the $3 coupons from our inserts, and the whole blend chiclets with the digital that's on here for 3 off of 2. That'll bring the total down to paying $8.16, but we'll get back 5 in extra care bucks, bringing that down to $3.16 for all 4, or only 79 cents each, which is not bad. I know we get this for free, and yeah, but I figured why not? It's still not a bad deal. Okay, so I got the whole blends and the fruit teas, but let me show you what happened. Okay, so the first time I went up there, I tell you guys always scan the whole blend coupon first, because sometimes the fruit teas will attach to the whole blends and the digital won't attach. So anyway, so I had her scan the whole blend first, and it did not attach the whole blend digital, and so my subtotal was $3 more. All right, so I had her void it, and then I went back up and we scanned the whole blends first, used a paper coupon, pushed total, you know, the digital attached, then we went back out, added the fruit teas, and scanned the fruit teas coupon, and then the 3 off of 15 attached. So it was perfect, but that's how I had to do it. I wrote an $8 extra care buck, so total was $8.16, and we got back the 5. So just a tip for those of you who, you know, the digital doesn't seem to want to attach, scan the items that the digital attaches to first with the coupon, total it, and then exit out and go back in if you have to, and scan the rest of the stuff. Alright guys, here's my tiny itty bitty haul. Don't laugh, y'all. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you do that. Look, I wanted to do more today, but girl was feeling unmotivated, and it's Mother's Day, and they didn't have any acts, and there's a couple of deals I wanted to do they didn't have, so this is it for now. I'm hoping I can kind of make up for it in my midweek video, hopefully, cross my fingers. I only worked on 1 card today as well. One of you guys suggested me doing the $10 challenge videos again, which I used to do. So I'm thinking of doing that again. I just don't know what day to post the video, or if I should just do that as my midweek. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I actually really liked doing the $10 challenge videos, because it was good for those who, you know, don't really have a lot of money to work with, and it was a good way to kind of teach you guys how to roll extra care bucks for a lower out of pocket. Because I think that's the biggest thing, is to have a low out of pocket, and sometimes if you don't have a lot to work with, it's best to do smaller transactions. Because I know one girl, and I see her every week, and her total was like $150. I was like, nope, I can't do it. Sorry, just can't do it. You don't want a high out of pocket. The best thing to do is do smaller transactions. Just break your transactions up, and do the deals that are making you money first, and kind of work your way backwards from the money makers to you know, freebies to cost. All right, and so, and yeah, then that way you know, your money makers, can pay for the stuff towards the end. So I'm hoping to start that back up next week. Because again, this is a really slow week in my opinion. Again, I'm hoping that some of the deals pop up later this week. But as for now, these 4 deals worked out pretty good. So everything you see here retails $40.12. I had $30 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out of pocket down to $10.11. And then I walk away with $14 in extra care bucks. It makes everything you see here free, plus a $3.89 moneymaker. I'll insert the tax somewhere for a net after tax. But other than that, you guys, I am going to leave it there. I said this video would be quick, right? And it is. So I will leave it there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.